Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Everybody I know plants tomatoes, and this time of year, late summer, after the canning and everything is done, there's always just a surplus of tomatoes that are left. And this is a recipe that I developed several years ago to use some of those excess tomatoes that are in the garden to make something fresh to have with our meals in the evening. And what it is it's a stuffed tomato, and you start out with tomatoes that look like this right here. About that size are the ones that I like best. And then what I do is I cut up a couple of large cloves of garlic, and then I cut up a bunch of basil, a bunch of thyme, and a bunch of oregano. It's probably about 2 tablespoons of cut up fresh herbs that are in there. And then I take about probably a half to maybe 2/3 of a stick of melted butter. I add that in, just like so, and then I add a cup of breadcrumbs in. Now, these are actually breadcrumbs, prepackaged, gluten-free ones, but the breadcrumbs go in, and then if you don't have the prepackaged breadcrumbs, you can take some crackers, throw them in a plastic bag, use your rolling pin, roll them up, and that's basically how the old-timers made breadcrumbs when they needed it. And then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, probably about a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and then also a half a cup of the 5 cheese Italian blend. Just like that, and that's going to go in there, and that's the ingredients for our dressing, and then all we're going to do, or our stuffing, and then all we're going to do is we're going to stir that up really well, just like so, and it'll get kind of clumpy, and that's what you want it to be like. And that's what that looks like. And we're going to set this off for a side for a second. I'm going to show you how to prep these tomatoes. What you do is you take your tomato and you cut about a 1/2 inch up off the top, like so, and then you're going to take your spoon and you're going to go in and you're going to take out the center portion with all the seeds and the pulp, just like so. And these can actually be saved for stuff like spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce, like I got right there. You can throw them in the pot to cook them down. Now I've got these right here on my sheet pan. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stuff these for you guys and show you what they look like before I put them into the oven. All right, you can see I'm just taking my mixture and I'm packing it into the tomato, and you want to get as much in as you possibly can, and you want to mount it up a little bit like that because it is going to cook down, and if you get any on the outside foil, that's fine. They just make little cracklings that can go on top. This is what they look like all stuffed. You want to mount it up a little bit because they will cook down. Now, these are going to go in a 375 degree oven for about 15 minutes. I actually got some balsamic chicken that's in the oven right now, and when that's got 15 minutes left, I'm going to add these in. So, of course, we're cooking multiple things at the same time so we don't waste any heat or electricity. But anyway, if you're cooking these by themselves, it's about 375 degrees for about 15 minutes, and you want to check them because you still want the tomatoes slightly al dente. Anyway, when I got these done, I'll show you what they look like. All right, guys, this is what it looks like after it comes out. See, I like them a little bit al dente, so 15 minutes gives it that. I got it here with my balsamic chicken. I'll do a little taste sample here for you guys. Should be pretty hot because it just came out of the oven. Tastes like summer. With the tomatoes and the fresh herbs and the fresh garlic, it's just got that real summer pop. I don't know how to explain it. It's sort of that freshness that you get when kind of you make everything yourself. But that is my stuffed tomatoes with basically everything from the garden, our herbs and our garlic, and of course the tomatoes. But just something I came up with a couple years back to use the surplus of tomatoes that we have this time of year. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information, a little entertainment, another idea that you guys can add to your recipe box out of this video here, and you guys have a good one.